So today we're going to talk about berberine, okay? Berberine is the next turmeric, okay? It is actually incredible. It's been thoroughly studied. A lot of people know about it, but they don't know all the different things it can do. Some hardcore research on a lot of things, especially the cardiovascular system. It's a very powerful antiarrhythmic natural compound. Now, berberine is a phytonutrient in certain plants, okay? So it's not necessarily a name of a plant. And because the mechanism of arrhythmias involve calcium, berberine can decrease the intracellular calcium, which is one actual cause of the heart going out of rhythm, because calcium is an electrolyte. If there's too much calcium in the cell, it becomes toxic and it affects the electrical system of the heart. It can also decrease blood pressure. It can increase the performance of the actual heart muscle itself. It decreases the risk of heart attacks, protects against ischemia in heart muscle. This is a lack of oxygen. If there's some type of obstruction because there's a clogged artery that's causing a lack of blood flow to the heart muscle, this can help it. Also, it can alter potassium channels. Now, potassium is a mineral that protects excessive amounts of calcium going into the cell. And this is why certain arrhythmias are actually caused by low potassium. Because if you don't have enough potassium, you can't protect against the excess amount of calcium that builds up inside the cells. Berberine can help as an anticoagulant, so that can help reduce clotting. Number 2, and this is a well-known benefit, can decrease infectious diarrhea. So if you have an infection that's causing diarrhea, I would start taking berberine. All right, number 3, it can act as a natural antibiotic, okay, which actually explains number 2. It's also an immune stimulant. It can help boost your immune system. Number 5, anti-tumor, anti-cancer, big time. In fact, there's just a lot of studies going on using this berberine on tumors and cancer, which you don't hear about unless you actually dig in to find this data. Number 6, and this is actually a very important benefit, it has anti-diabetic properties. It can potently decrease your blood sugars. It can help with insulin resistance, making insulin and glucose more sensitive. So your blood sugars are going to be much better. There's been some reports that this will work just as good, if not better, than metformin. I realize I'm not making any claims. Check with your doctor before consuming this, but you may just want to read the research yourself. All right, number 7, it can help decrease the effects of caffeine. Caffeine can trigger arrhythmias. Well, berberine decreases the effect of caffeine. All right, number 8, it's anti-inflammatory. It's very, very effective for anything that has itis, bursitis, tendinitis, arthritis, and it's antiviral. Other than that, it probably doesn't work for anything else, and I'm being very, very sarcastic. This is the next turmeric. I think it's a very powerful phytonutrient that I think more people need to know about. All right, thanks for watching.
Hey, we're back.
With another amazing recipe.
No grains, no sugar, totally keto. There's no suffering in keto.
Absolutely not, Karen.
And it's an immune system builder.
Absolutely, you have to check this out.
I think you should hurry up, watch the recipe, and make it yourself. It's just so easy to be keto.
But is it simple?
It's super simple. We hope you enjoy making it as much as we are enjoying eating it.